Here in this video, I'll detail how to fix not getting notifications on my Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, either the Series 9 or Series 8, just Apple Watch, here I'm going to show you how to start getting your iPhone notifications on your Apple Watch. So if at the end of this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix not getting notifications on my Apple Watch, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, scroll down and click on Watch app. So if you're using iOS 17.5, you should see the Watch app on this page for all iOS 17 or earlier version. But if you're using iOS 18, scroll down and click on Apps. Then once you selected apps, scroll down until you get to Watch and tap it. So just keep scrolling, then click on Watch. Then under Allow Watch to Access, tap Notifications. Then here, you should see Notification Disabled. Go ahead and turn this on. Then once that is enabled, come here. You should see how you want to show your notifications on your iWatch. Customize this. So here, you want to show it on lock screen. Enable this notification center or banner. So just set this all based on your preference. Then once you're good, turn on sound so you'll be notified with notification sound. And once that is set, you can just go back and then open the Watch app on your iPhone like this. Then scroll down and tap Sound and Haptics. Then once you select Sound and Haptics, make sure silent mode is not enabled. If silent mode is enabled, whenever you have notifications on your iPhone, you're not able to receive it because you've enabled silent mode on your iWatch. Then make sure this is disabled. Then if you want to receive haptic alert, turn this on. Then you want to choose permanent or default, so I prefer to use default. Then after that, headphone safety, that is the audio. Then you want to read loud sound or you really want to use headphone notifications. So while using your Apple Watch and you have your headphone on, you'll still be able to receive notifications on both your headphone with notifications and you'll still be able to receive the notifications on your Apple Watch. So this is how you can easily fix not receiving notifications on Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.